Welcome everybody back to the channel. It's Mike here with Mike's Drones and More, guys, and tonight is Tiny Whoop Racing Night. So tonight I have the Alien Whoop with me, and I'm going to be test flying this little guy, and we're going to see how it stacks up to the other Tiny Whoops that I would normally fly. Now normally I would fly the Beta FPV board with my preferred beta flight that I use is 3.2.4, but it's been modified to the Project Mockingbird, so we'll see if the Alien Whoop can hang in there with the Project Mockingbird. Also, I'm using ultra sauce motors compared to my normal special sauce motors that I like to run. So, so we will see how well the Alien Whoop does compared over to my normal special sauce. So hang in there, guys, and I hope you enjoy the flight footage. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the race footage with my Alien Whoop, and I gotta say, this thing kicks butt racing for Tiny Whoops. I tried to go back and race my beta flight, and it just didn't feel the same at all. It wasn't even remotely close to how smooth the Alien was. I'm just really super happy with it. So guys, if you're wanting to get into Tiny Whoop or Tiny Whoop racing, definitely get you an Alien board. These things are freaking awesome. That's all I can say. I can't say enough about these. These are just the best little boards. I wish they'd come out with these when I started Tiny Whooping, because I would be so much better. But anyway, so thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching the video as always. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So thank you so very much. And while you're waiting for my next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for hanging out. Have an awesome day. Talk to you later.